Let's get across today's market moves with our business reporter Ingrid Willinge. Ingrid, market dropped off today.
Yeah, not a great session actually, dropping a little bit more even as those jobs numbers dropped earlier in the session, off by about 1% at the end of the session, you can see there, so off the lows of the day as well, but that was mainly following declines in global markets in the overnight session. Tech led the losses today, energy bucked the trend though to be the only sector really in the black. Let's take a look at some of those energy plays that performed particularly well today. Woodside up 6% and Santos up 2%. Woodside powering high after upping its guidance for full year production, posting an all-time high in sales, and Santos continuing to benefit as well from that increase in gas prices and record sales. Zip also in that list up about 2.3%, bucking the trend of the rest of the sort of tech space, I guess you could say, but it jumped about 20% in the third quarter, pushing the stock higher today. On the flip side, some of the worst performers, Megaport down a further 10% today after resuming trade. You can see about 11.5% weaker. It had to own up to some of the errors in its cash flow guidance from yesterday's update, so closing at about $5.85. Evolution Mining also in the list. You can see they're down by close to 7%. It reiterated its FY23 production and announced it sold 163,000 ounces of gold in the September quarter and expecting production to increase for the rest of the year. But it was one of the worst performers today. And Magellan off by about 5% after its AGM. Obviously, it went through the changes that have taken place at the top that we know about. The company attempting to win back shareholder support, not doing such a good job at that today, though, weakening off to $10.28. Back to you, Ed.
Well, thanks, Ingrid.